Yes, of course, to maintain a high efficiency in a pick-and-place line in high mix conditions, that requires a good tool for monitoring the performance, presenting actionable information that you can use to optimize the performance and improve efficiency. Here at Productronica we are showing the latest version of our MyCenter analysis software, which is a tool that does exactly that. It presents to the operator, to the process engineer, actionable information that can be used to improve the performance and the efficiency of the line. You can use this tool to find the root cause of disturbances in the line, for example, component shortages or operator mistakes that need to be corrected immediately in order to keep up the overall efficiency and the utilization of the line. There has certainly been a lot of exciting development during this year leading up to Productronica. One thing that is very interesting to see is how the industry has quickly embraced the Hermes technology. And in Mycronic we have responded to that by introducing here at Productronica a full line solution that is completely Hermes driven, that has automatic program selection, automatic conveyor width throughout the entire line, meaning that this line really supports batch size 1 production, which is of course the ultimate in flexibility. Well, of course, automating the program selection is not the only thing when it comes to a fully automated line. The material handling is certainly a challenge in that region, and what we are showing here at the Productronica show is of course our complete Agilis material handling solution. The Agilis feeder system is the industry's most user-friendly and easy-to-load feeder system, and combined with our material handling software, you really get the lowest changeover cost in the industry. We are also showing our unique stick feeder, which is the only stick feeder in the industry that is using no vibrations and no belts to feed the sticks. And this stick feeder is unique in the sense that it's only using horizontal movements from a servo-controlled drive unit, which really prevents components from jumping and makes this stick feeder the most reliable solution in the industry. We are also showing the new generation of our electrical verifier option for the My300 pick-and-place machine. This is a device that's mounted inside the machine and that can verify the electrical properties of components, of resistors, capacitors, diodes. And what is new here at Productronica is that we have expanded the range of components we can verify. So we can now test, for example, dual diodes, field effect transistors, IGBTs, and so on. We have also increased the accuracy and the range for passive components, capacitors, resistors, making this extremely valuable device when you're producing high reliability electronics, for example, in the aerospace or medical sector.